In this video, I will discuss the answer to the question why the emission of two photons is necessary in pair annihilation. Pair annihilation is a process in which a pair, that is an electron and a positron, interact with each other to annihilate each other and produce light. This is the process which is known as the pair annihilation. So now we consider the first case in which an electron with some momentum p is moving toward right, while a positron which is moving toward left with exactly the opposite momentum of electron, which is minus p. At this point, they interact with each other, annihilate, and a photon is emitted with some momentum p prime. So that in this case only one photon is emitted when electron and positron meet each other. Now the total initial momentum, that is before their interaction, the total initial momentum is p plus and minus p, while the total final momentum, which is of photon, is p prime. These are not equal. That is, the total initial momentum p minus p is 0, while the total final momentum is p prime. So the law of conservation of linear momentum is not valid in this case. Now we consider the second scenario in which an electron with again momentum p interact with a positron with momentum opposite to the electron, interact at this point, and two photons are produced. The momentum of this photon is p prime, and an second photon which is exactly moving in the opposite direction have momentum of minus p prime. Now if we apply the law of conservation of linear momentum, then the total initial momentum is p plus into minus p, and the total final momentum, which is p prime plus into minus p prime. Now the total initial momentum and the total final momentum is equal. So for the conservation of linear momentum, the emission of two photons is a must condition in pair annihilation. Now I hope you have a clear concept of the answer to this question, that why one photon is not sufficient in the pair annihilation. Kindly subscribe this YouTube channel for more physics, mathematics videos and concepts.